Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Melting Pot from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed, and to get started I go over the entire mini with Argonaut skin. There really isn't much to this mini, so it will be a nice and quick one. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To start getting the mid-tone on, I dry brushed on some Kronos flesh, just left that darker tone in the recesses. Pushing the highlight further on the skin, I dry brushed on some Ares flesh. With this highlight, I tried to keep the brush strokes going downwards in order to just catch the upper parts. I want to get a little bit of detail onto this mini, so I went around with Grimy grey and dotted in the eyes and the teeth, just to make them stand out a little more. Adding some shadows now, I washed the entire mini with light tone wash. While I wait for the wash to dry, I moved on to the base with a once over of Plague Brown. The base now gets some sandy desert texture added to it. Finishing up, I added some zombie gore just in random parts. And that will be it for the Melting Pot. It's a very simple and easy mini to paint up, but that also does make it kind of boring. Luckily, the remaining abominations actually look like they're going to be more fun to paint up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.